Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Now we start notes for class 4th subject SST. Chapter number 2 Our climate. Words meaning height, lambai, pleasant, खुशगवार, temperature, दर्जा हरारत, favorite, पसंदीदा, comparatively, बिलमुकाबिल, comfortable, आरामदा, product, अशिया, climate, आबो हवा, ample, कुशादा, rainfall, बारिश की बूंदें. Question answer. What is climate? Climate is the weather of a place over a lengthy period of time. The temperature, rainfall, snowfall, humidity, wind, and the sun rays are all part of the climate of a place. Question number 2. Compare weather and climate. Weather is the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere, whereas climate is the weather of a place but over a long period of time. Give 4 examples of how climate influences what we wear. Answer. The clothes we wear depend on the climate of the area. We wear warm clothes in winter to protect our bodies from the cold. We wear light clothes in summer, which allows the air to circulate inside the dresses to keep us cool. Eskimos wear fur coats and gloves in the intense cold. People living in the jungle wear only skis made out of leaves, as it's quite humid and airless inside the jungles. Can you think of a reason why the Arab nomads wear headgear in the desert? The headgear protects the heads and necks of the nomads from the sun. Join the word to its meaning. Climatology, the study of climate. Meteorology, the study of weather. Meteorologist, one who studies and foresees the weather. Climatologist, one who studies how climate are created. Climate, the weather of a place over a long period of time, whether it is day to day and changes every day. Chapter number 3 Our agriculture. Words meaning agriculture, ज़राअत, adopting, अपना करना, combine, एक साथ, separate, अलहदा, export, बरामद करना, maize, मकई का पौधा. वूल, ऊन, स्लाइटली, बेपरवाही से, wheat, गंदम, attention, तवज्जो. Answer these questions. What are the steps taken for improvement of farming? The steps taken for improvement of farming in Pakistan are the use of fertilizers and varieties of seeds, modern machinery, knowledge, effective pesticides of climate, and installations of more tube wells. We are using modern farming techniques in order to get a better harvest. What climate conditions are required for Rabi and Kharif crops? The climate conditions which best suit Rabi crops are neither too hot nor too humid. That is why they are sown between October and December and are harvested in April and May. In contrast, a slightly higher temperature and more water is needed for Kharif crops to grow, so they are sown between April and June and harvested between October and December. Write the names of 5 Rabi, 5 Kharif crops. The main Rabi crop is wheat. Some other Rabi crops are pulses, tobacco, mustard, and barley. Important kharif crops are rice and cotton. The other kharif crops are sugarcane, maize, and bajra. Dear student, watch this video very carefully and solve these notes on your notebook and check in schools. Okay, Khuda Hafiz, take care.